Who's your daddy?
To my... Who's my daddy? Daddy Jed. Daddy, madi-disconnect
Oh.
ako ah. Wala na ako ng ilaw.
Okay. Okay.
Tago niyo muna ako.
Okay na. Pips, naman. Ba't naman dito ka agad?
Yung kaya yun nga yung inaano ko sa dyan. Alam mo yung electricity na magkikislapan. Oops. Hindi ko alam sa inyo.
Alam. Ka? Ilan? Aba, okay. Hindi ka nilalambing. How's your MS Angel?
It's good. 68, 58, yeah.
Ay, sana
It's the
all.
best.
Anak ng
I'm
putya.
Yeah, this is the best MS I may receive.
Sana all.
Yeah, we're live on TikTok, ha?
Okay, hello.
Hindi ko alam paano silver siya eh.
You have TikTok account?
Oh, to be honest, I don't know.
Don't have?
No, I'm from Palestine. Yeah.
Daddy, ano baril mo?
Come with me, come.
PD.
Kala ko 117, makikipagpalit ako sa'yo.
Hindi pa. Okay, nakita ko.
RPD yung hawak ko eh.
PD nga saan? Alika rito. Where are you? Napapa-English ko.
Anak ng putya, wag mo akong Englishin daddy ah. Banatan kita dyan.
Mommy, where are you? Please come to my designated location. Okay.
Gusto mong mabanat-banatan ng wala sa oras, daddy.
We have to speak English because of Angel, so
No, it's okay. You can speak Filipino, no problem with me.
here.
I'm sorry, brother. I kill you.
You're so kind.
Apologizing.
Night, madam.
Good night, madam.
Then bang sleepy. I thought you
Wala.
have,
Oy, may kalaban pa sa
TikTok
taas ah.
account.
May kalaban pa
You
sa
can
taas.
follow let Matu. Search.
Awang lilo ka.
Saan na yung doggy ko? Ba't nawala na? Teach me how to doggy. Teach me how to doggy.
Ah, yung nga, kagdarete. So, tapin mo si ano. Ano nakita eh.
Oh, si Angel.
Yes.
Airdrop has been delivered.
Talk to her, talk to her.
Talk to her.
By
Chief.
the way,
Don't worry.
Angel, Aris, Mr. Chips is
Siya single
in
man.
English.
Single
Also
man.
single. Yeah.
I am
Bachelor,
single,
bachelor.
but not ready to
The
mingle.
bachelor.
You are single also,
Ready
right?
to mingle.
But
Yeah, but not ready. Yeah, not ready to mingle at
Airdrop has
all.
been delivered.
wala akong makitang ano. Baka naman mayroon dyan 117.
Tinuro ko na sa'yo sa may
117.
staircase ah. Staircase! Hindi mo ba pinuntahan? Kaliga dito.
Hindi.
Bakit nahulog ako? Ano ko na kanina? Nark ko pa.
117.
Patay ko nga.
Heads up,
Ah,
soldier.
may oh. Dali ka.
Time for a fire sale.
Kukunin ko na nga para sa'yo. Will I do?
Go.
Oo.
Sa upper side daw meron. Wait lang.
May
Wait,
kumuha na
wait,
eh.
Angel,
May
wait.
nagpalitan ng crow eh. May kumuha na.
Wait, Angel. Hindi, meron dito. Meron, nakuha ko na. Thank you. Let's go.
Ito,
Where's
guys.
Angel?
I'm here.
With you,
Let's go.
beside you.
Airdrop has been delivered.
Yeah. I agree with you. I agree with you, Mr. Pretty Boy. Three chips.
Daddy, ganyanan tayo. Ganyanan tayo.
Yan.
Nang tinapababad sa iba pero sa akin hindi. Ano yan? Asa ng hustisya?
Ay, sorry. Ito na. Mapapagalitan na naman ako dito.
Asa ng hustisya dun, Daddy?
Release the smoke.
Babad ka sa ibang
Nasa
live na
sala.
TikTok tapos sa akin hindi ka magbababad?
Nasa
Pag gusto ma-outside ako lang. Ay! What do you want?
Sala ako eh. Wala ako sa room. Yan. Uy, binabaril ako. Oh, kita niyo yun? Binabaan ko. Yan. Loadout. Saan?
Airdrop,
Ikaw naman na yung ano. Mag-RPD ka.
airdrop has been delivered.
Chip, sakay mo si ano. Sakay mo si ano. Era eh. Oo.
Changing mag, cover me.
Ayun.
Release the smoke perspective.
How are you guys? I'm going the wrong way.
You're here.
Sorry, nawala ako.
Alright.
Sinundo ako ng alaga ko sa baba eh.
Reloading.
Saka. Nakakuha siya ng gamit. Sorry. Bantayan mo yun si Angel ha. Huwag mo hayaan mamatay yung chips.
Puchas.
Andun
Ano
kami,
po pala ba
andun.
dito meron?
Atas. Ako ah.
Bilis ang dami.
Wait lang. Atras. Taka sa akin. May sniper oh. Sigsag.
Oh,
Ah,
madami.
dami dito. Isang squad.
Magkabilaan.
Ng kulugo. Mami, baba tayo. Where are you? Mami.
Are here.
Bang sniper.
Puta, may sniper. Alam. Wala na akong buhay.
Teammate has been killed. Revival
Bad
match
trip.
is on.
Gulag ako.
I need help.
Yes. Okay. Okay. Sorry, my love. Sorry. Marami dun, pre.
Yun, mami. Mulag?
Mulag. Sinundo ako dun.
Number one, I need help. You're next to me.
Shit.
Your teammate has been killed. Revival match is on.
I got snipe.
Release the smoke perspective.
Mami,
Okay,
huwag kang babalik doon, mami ah. Taka kay chips. Okay, Angel. Oh, go with cheese or Angel.
Marami dun. Marami sila. Ano sa kanila?
Avoid. To go farther away.
Still there is one, I think, unless you killed him.
Airdrop has been delivered.
Where are you?
Okay.
May baril dito
Sorry, ah.
dati.
Hindi ako ano sa TikTok. Wait lang. Dito, puta na ako.
Wala. May ganyan ka naman talaga. Walang ganyan.
Time for a fire sale.
Sampu. Ito ko na rin.
I'm behind you, exactly.
Yeah.
Sana all come with me.
Yep.
Na all pinoprotektahan.
At all costs, eh? Mami, protektahan mo ako dito. Ship line, guys. Go.
This is so much.
Watch out. K9 unit incoming.
Mami, nakikita mo na ako. Mami, nakikita mo na ako sa ano?
Zipline.
Nakikita mo na ako sa live mo. Oh, safe zone, guys. Safe zone. Monitor your safe zone. Safe zone is closing. Already here downtown.
Someone is here, by the way. He's shooting me.
Okay.
Did you kill him?
Release the smoke perspective.
Mr. Chips ako naiwan. Thank you, pre.
Changing mag.
Chips is protecting your back. See? Chips is the hero of the day. See? Zone, Chips. Tara. Enemy here. Down. a shame that we're going to die here in the outside zone.
Here. Here.
Friendly stealth chopper inbound. Location exposed.
Buy station is unavailable.
Dang!
There was two, not one. Still there is one.
There's still one. Hey, here. Diner, dinner, chicken dinner. Nice.
It was a big party here, by the way. Lots of.
Mami, mapatay si Mami ah. Loot.
Airdrop is
More guys. Behind me. Yeah. Island. They are on the island.
Release the smoke perspective.
Shit, lag. Kambing ako, Chips. Ito, pumala ako ng 200.
They're hurting. Keep fighting.
Yeah.
Nice.
Nice one. Nice game, guys. See that one?